Hey guys, welcome to today's review. Today I'm reviewing one of Dairy Queen Canada's new fall blizzards. It's the Coffee Crisp Caramel Macchiato Blizzard Treat. Say that 5 times fast. Stay tuned. Okay, so this Coffee Crisp Caramel Macchiato Blizzard, it's only available for the fall lineup on Dairy Queen in Canada. So it's not available on the fall blizzard lineup in the US. I checked. Anyhow, Coffee Crisp, I'm sure most of you, even if you're not in the US, have heard of the chocolate bar. If you haven't, I encourage you guys to try it. It's really good. You can probably find it at Store Sells International Snacks or online. Or maybe they sell it in your area. Like sometimes, like I've heard people tell me they see them at their local gas station or anything like that. So just let me know if you tried Coffee Crisp. If you haven't, you gotta try it. Anyways, so this blizzard, give me 1 second. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it has Coffee Crisp pieces, caramel, and coffee blended into world famous DQ soft serve. The Coffee Crisp Caramel Macchiato Blizzard Treat is the most satisfying alternative to your afternoon cup of joe. Well, I don't know about that. I don't know if it's better than coffee, but it sounds pretty good. Well, definitely get a nice coffee vibe. There's a piece of the Coffee Crisp. Did you like your coffee crisp? You're no Jane Rivers. You guys remember that commercial? Those of you in Canada? You can find it on YouTube. I'll include the link in the description. And I apologize about the noise in the background. Super good. I'm trying to find a piece of the coffee crisp. I'm going to show you guys. Give me 1 sec. You kind of see it. So it's probably my fault, but anyhow, I can definitely, the ice cream definitely tastes like coffee. The Coffee Crisp tastes really good, and the caramel, I definitely give it a pass. Definitely give it a thumbs up. There is also other blizzards in the Dairy Queen's fall lineup. I'm just going to include it in the description. There's another one I may also try. Definitely give the Coffee Crisp one a try. If you love Coffee Crisp, oh my goodness, guys. Chocolate bars, you can enjoy this blizzard. Let in the comments if you've ever had a Coffee Crisp, if you try this or not. Or if you have a favorite blizzard of Dairy Queen, or what's your favorite item in the fall lineup. If you have one, just let me know in the comments. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye, everybody. Bye.